Hi everyone, my name is Ashley with Posh Crochet Patterns. I'm here today to teach you how to make this beautiful beginner-friendly crochet square with a 3D stitched-in heart. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to design our graph. I'm going to set that to the side. This is the graph that I've already designed. This is 29 squares horizontally and 25 squares vertically. And we have our heart shaded in. This is the heart that we will stitch into the single crochet square. And as you see, I have it marked here all the way up to 25 rows. So on the 6th row, we will go across to the 15th stitch. The 15th stitch is where we will start. We will stitch this in. We will go in from behind the square. We will come out and we will cover this stitch up with whichever yarn you prefer. And then we will go back in and come back out from behind. And we will go at either side here at the corners. And as you see, as we go up to widen out the heart, we will increase one on each side. And we will do that all the way until row 14. And then on row 14, you will stitch in from stitch 7 to stitch 23, and you will repeat that going up, not increasing or decreasing. And then on row 18, we will come up and we will stitch in from 7 to 14. On stitch 15, it will be empty, so we will not cover that stitch up. And then we will go up and continue like this. And then we will cut our yarn, and then we will come over to either stitch 23 or stitch 16. And we will do the same exact thing. If you would like to take a picture of this graph, I would take a moment to do so, but I am going to show you how to make this on your own graph paper. Okay, so let's get started. So we have our graph paper. I got this graph paper from Walmart. It come in a big pack for fairly cheap. And I have my ruler. And what we will do is we will go down a few squares and we will mark our spot. And then we will count down 25 rows. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And then we will mark that. And we will take our ruler and line that up. And then we will draw it down. Then we will count over 29 single crochets. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. And then we will mark that. Then we will take our ruler, line that up, and then just draw that across. And we will do the same thing. Going up, we will count 25 squares. And then we will go up. And then match this up. So that is our base. That is our single crochet square, which looks like this. This square is this square is 7.5 across and 5.5 vertically. The heart is 5 across and 4.5 vertically. That is how big our square and our heart will be. Now, let's see. Let's move this out of the way. So we will mark our rows. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. Okay. Now, we will count over 15. Okay. So here's row 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Shade that in. Okay. Well, maybe shade it in lightly. Okay. Let's see. I did this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that way you know you count up 5 rows. And on that 6th row, you start the bottom of your heart. Okay? And then what we're going to do is we're going to go up to the next row and shade in 3. So see, we're increasing by 1 on each side here. Then we're going to go up the next row. We're going to do the same thing. Then we're going to do the next row. Shade those in. Go up the next row. Okay, and let's see, so we're going to keep increasing until row 14 on stitch 7. So let's go to row 14. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we're going to shade that in right there. And then also we're going to stop on this side on stitch number 23. So it's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay, so we're going to shade that in. Okay, and then we're going to go go straight up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shade those in. And do the same thing on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, oops. Okay, there we go. Make sure that's right. Row 18. Yep. Okay, that's good. But we're going to skip 15 on row 18. So I'm going to shade that in there. That in there. And then here we're going to go up one and shade that in. But then we don't shade in stitch number 14. 13 to 9. Okay. So let's stitch 13. Okay. And 9. Okay, and that's row. Oh, sorry. That's row 20. Okay, so here's row 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So let me shade those in. Okay. And then row 19 from 8 to 14. Okay, so here's 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And then here, just increase 1 on each side until, yeah, see? And then, of course, you shade this in here. See, we're making our heart. It's not hard at all, okay? So here we go across 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2,